My car parts with an S are in the UK, ordered from Germany. They are currently with customs, who are deciding whether or not there's any duty to pay. By that, of course, what they mean is there is duty to pay. I know it's got to be done, but I can't get the parts over here at all, not even second hand. Does seem a bit weird, doesn't it? The car was bought over here, tax was paid on it. I bought it from a garage, a car sales garage. They would have paid VAT on it, and then something's gone wrong with it where it needs parts to make it work, and I'm having to pay duty on that as well. It's not protecting UK companies because nobody manufactures the bloody stuff over here. If they did, I would much rather have bought British. Not through any sense of loyalty or anything like that. Not arsed, I'll buy the cheapest. But because there'd be no duty on it and there'd be no need to ship it all the way around the bloody world. I know Germany's that far away on a map. And also to support local businesses. Nowhere does stuff like that though. So we're forced to look at other places. I'm so tired this morning, I can't even speak. I can't speak. But it's in the country. I am expecting 20%, which is going to work out at about £130 of your King's very own British pounds. Which, if I take into account how much I've already paid for it and how much it's going to cost to have it fitted, it's going to take me up to about 1,500 quid, I think. Might be even more. Which, to be fair, I was sort of expecting. I'm just hoping that they've shipped it in such a way that... I know they haven't, have they? I think if it's over £154, you don't pay duty on it. If they sent it in 3 separate bundles, there'd be duty on one bit of it. That'd be it. But I don't think they've done that. I think they sent it in 2 parcels. So it'll be 400 odd quid for the subframe and 200 odd for the peripherals. The control arms, the whatchamacallit, the Ujima flips, the thingy-majigs. Yeah. Whichever way you look at it, I'm paying loads of money. Ain't that sweet, bro? But it's in the country. And it's only money. Safety comes first. Get it right. Hopefully it'll last me for the lifetime of the rest of the car. It's already 20 years old. If I get another 5 years out of it, I'll be happy. Any more than that, I'll be delirious. And in the meantime, I can try and put a couple of quid aside if possible. And then try and buy something a bit more modern next time round. But at least it's here, it's in the country. I don't know where it is. As soon as I get the, I don't know what happens, do I get an email? have your stuff, do I pick it up? Do they release it at that point? Do the Royal Mail drop it off for me? What happens? I've had it before when I bought a t-shirt from Cuba, of all places on the planet. There's a company, a Cuban, it was a startup, and I've been to Cuba on holiday and loved the place, and I like the idea of supporting an up and coming new clothing brand. So I ordered stuff from them, like a £20 t-shirt plus a tenner delivery, postage and packing. I had to pay another 20 quid on top in taxes. But it was worth it because nobody else has those things. I've not seen a single person wearing the same t-shirts. No. That was just then delivered. Once I paid it, that was delivered, so I'm presuming it'll be the same with the car parts. Then I'll have to see if my sister's boyfriend can use the works van to drop everything off for me. Talked to my dad about it last night. I know the subframe is supposed to fit underneath the car, so it can't be bigger than the car, can it? Obviously, stands to reason. Would it fit inside the boot though? Would it sit on the back seat? How heavy is it? Is it just box steel? It's not going to be solid steel, otherwise that would weigh more than the car. Oh, I don't know. Oh, I don't know. Just want it done now. Done, dusted, sorted. And then please, for the love of Jeff, no more outgoings. No more hemorrhaging money. I've had enough. I have had enough. I know there will be more to come. There'll be more dental fees coming up in January, February. Got an appointment with dentist in December, at which point whatever he's going to do will happen probably in the January, February time. That might be at the same time that I'm getting Brad Pittificated. Oh, I don't know, there's so much happening. So watch as many adverts as you can. It's not the principle, it's the money. Oh man. I don't want much. Be nice to be debt free. It'd be nice to have enough money just to go and sort everything out that I need sorting out. I don't need to be a millionaire. Don't need to be a billionaire. Don't need any of that. Just enough to be comfortable. Just enough. As Del Boy says, give me a hate me more than that and spend and I'll be happy. Don't even need that. Just stop giving me stuff like this where I think I'm going to be alright. All of a sudden, thousands in bills coming. Enough of that, please. Enough. I know I've chosen to spend money in the past. Fine. In hindsight, I shouldn't have done. How was I to know? I'm not Kreskin. There's one for the kids. I'm not Kreskin. Come on, porridge, tea, sleep. This is only in work till 1 o'clock this afternoon. We'll see what the weather's like. We might stay out, drop her off, stay out and see if we can do something. See if we do some filming jizzings. I've got some reason the rhymes written down. I can do them. In fact, have them there. That's good, isn't it? Have them with me. I've got some ideas for other stuff as well. So there is things I can do. But these things would require me to not be in the house. Do I want that on a Friday? When I could just chill? What do you reckon? Chill or film? Let me know in the comments below. What should I do? Chill or film? Over to you.